In this video, we'll discuss about the new chapter, microorganisms and friend and foe. So, what do you mean microorganisms? These are the single-celled organisms. Microorganisms are smaller in size, not able to see through the naked eye. That means these are, we can see through microscopes. We can see this through the microscopes only. Most of these organisms are free living. Some are act as commensal. Commensal means these are just dependent upon the another organism. We can call those another things are called host, and it will not harm to the host. That is are called commensal. And some are act as symbiotic. That means mutual beneficiary. So the host also benefited, and also these microorganisms also benefited. That is called symbiotic. Next one is pathogenic. Especially these are the organisms which harm to the host. So host means either it will be animal, human or plants. Some are parasites. These are not 100% will be in the pathogenic. Sometimes in the unfavorable conditions it will be stay silent. In the favorable conditions these are react against the host. So this is the basic nature about organisms, microorganisms. Mostly these are single cell. These single cell organisms which will be perform all the functions. The habitat, if you see the habitat, these are the nature, and if it is a habitat, and it can be survive in the hot springs, cold conditions, hot springs, cold conditions are at room temperatures. Basically, microorganisms are ubiquitous. Ubiquitous means present in everywhere. The organisms, I said, these are single cell. The single cell organisms are mostly bacteria and parasites like protozoa. These are single cell. And some organisms are multicellular. So that is fungi. It is a multicellular elongated structures with mycelium, molds, and there are some single cell also there. Those are yeast. Next one, helminths also there. These helminths which are multicellular, the parasites, these are also involved in the pathogenic or the commensals. There are very minute structures of the microorganism. Those are called virus. So these viruses are not like a regular organisms. For example, bacteria is there. It is having the proper cell wall and proper compositions, and also a proper cell structure system. And protozoa, fungi, helminths also similar. But in this virus, there is no proper cell wall. Only that nucleic acids are covered with, that genetic materials are covered with a protein coat. Those are called virus. Most of the virus will be harm condition. These are pathogenic. Okay. We are discussing the topic is the friend and foe. That means here the basic nature of the organisms we are discussed. But friend and foe means how these organisms are help in the humans. Microorganisms are beneficiary to human life. So what are the beneficiary, what are the areas which helps to these are the part of human life. What are the conditions? In the brewing industries or agriculture, baking industries, and generally at homes also these are present. So this is the introduction part of about microorganisms. The next slide, next video, we will continue with that one by one industries. I hope you understand. Thank you.